Hey everyone, Luke here with the Joint Replacement Therapist. Today I want to go over another exercise for increasing knee flexion or bending range of motion, and this exercise is called wall slides. So what you're going to do is, if you're going to lay on your back with your feet up against a wall. So we'll say this is the knee we're working on. You're going to slide your heel down the wall and bend your knee. Get as far as you can. And then what you can do is actually use your other leg to help give that pressure an extra push to help improve that knee flexion range of motion. Hold it for a count of 10, and then you can actually hook the leg underneath and help push it back up to the starting position. I like to have people do about 10 reps, holding for 5 to 10 seconds at the bottom, and complete 1 to 2 sets at a time. So that's wall slides for knee flexion or knee bending range of motion.